Hey YouTubers, it's Clara here. Normally I would show my face, but in this Mother's Day vlog you'll be seeing my hands. So this is my Mother's Day breakfast in bed for my mom. Here we have Dalgona coffee. It's a very popular drink I've seen on YouTube. And also I have some Funfetti Pancakes. Shout out to Pop Sugar Food for Brandy Malloy. I will link her in the description down below for this Funfetti pancakes recipe, whatever. Yeah. And I also made some scrambled eggs, some bacon, which was pre-cooked that I just had to heat up in my microwave. So that's that, and silverware. So I'm gonna give this to her in bed. You won't be seeing my mom in the video, unfortunately, because she does not like being filmed. So I gotta respect her wishes. You'll mostly be seeing my hands and a little of me. You know, normally I would show me at first, like I said, I think. But yeah. This is going to be a Mother's Day vlog, gift haul, and yeah, things like that. Alright. And in this, I also have a gift haul, so like I mentioned before, I think, yeah. I got this picnic basket at a thrift store near me, and inside I put some gifts. Here's the card I got from my mom. My brother and I signed it. For Mom with Love. So many things. Yeah, I got that from Wegmans, my local grocery store. I've been going there since I was a kid. And then I got this laminated. It's me and my mom when we went to see Robert Irvine at the Turning Stone. I got her some strawberry rhubarb preserves. She loves rhubarb and, of course, strawberries, but yeah. Works great. Nutella. An oven mitt. And a mug I made. This is Mom Fuel, and some biscottis to go with that. Extra gum. Always helps to have fresh breath. Mother's Day coupons to redeem. Which is, like, I already wrote in them, like, breakfast in bed, which you already saw. I got this from Pinterest. Unlimited hugs, a shoulder massage, an hour of peace and quiet, 1 hour, 1 cup hot coffee, a gourmet lunch made by me, Clara, movie night in. Well, I'll probably make that a movie day because I'm going to be going home after dinner to my house, yeah, where I usually film. Dinner out at the restaurant of her choice, you know, as in yours and Mom, yeah. So that'll be takeout since the COVID-19 thing, going around thing. And here is a Ferrero Rocher pineapple, a wine bottle of her favorite flavor, White Zinfandel with a rosé blush color. They taste the same as rosé. But anyway, I covered it completely in Ferrero Rocher chocolates. Put some cling wrap around it to keep it from falling off. The chocolates, yeah. And this, took some construction paper and made it look like the leaves. And I also got these jars from Target. This one says there's room for dessert. Got our favorite melted milk balls in there. Some other biscottis I got in there for just a little snack. Got those from Target. A pedometer. Well, it's already sealed in the box, but it counts your steps. I'm not going to get that out, though. And I also got her a new purse because she always carries a wallet around her that does have a strap, but the strap keeps falling off of hers. So I got her one of those. And that concludes this gift haul. I know she'll love them, so. Alright, that's this part. And another part of this video is lunch. Here I had some things done. By that I mean I had some placemats laminated. Well, I took some paper to my local Staples, had them laminated, and I picked it up yesterday actually. The day before today. Yeah, anyway. And For lunch we have cucumber and dill sandwiches. Shout out to Bethany Moda of her channel. I saw her do this recipe in her Mother's Day video, which I will be sure to link down below. And we have right here in this is a tea light candle that changes colors by the second, so or minute, whatever. And this is a tea light candle holder made out of wine corks that I got at a thrift store. But you can always make this yourself, you know. There's some cups, and I'm gonna go around the table this way. Here we have some spanakopita, which I made from a frozen, heated it up in the oven. Voila, there you go. This is gonna be actually for after dinner tonight, but this is Mother's Day lunch. Right here we have some strawberry rhubarb tarts with vanilla bean scones. I got the scones from a thrift store, and the tarts I used sugar cookie dough and put them in little tiny cupcake holders. I mean a cupcake pan, and then baked them in the oven. And then after they were cooled, I added the strawberry rhubarb jam, which is the same one I used in my gift basket because I had bought 2 jars of the strawberry rhubarb. But anyway, the strawberry rhubarb jam, that is. Over here we have deviled eggs, my all-time favorite. One of my all-time favorites, actually. Technically. And also here's another placemat. This is where my brother's going to sit. I put the American flag and the German flag because I'm part German on my mom's side, and so is my brother. So he likes those colors anyway, so works out great for him. And then I have some tzatziki, which is usually used on gyros and other stuff. But this makes a great veggie dip as well. I got some baby carrots in there. Some Asian plates that I got from a thrift store. It was part of a set pack that was in a tattered box, brand new, no chips, no nothing in it when I bought it a few years ago. Yeah. And also this is from my mom. Mom, a tile just above queen. So this is for her spot. She's the queen, so the queen sits in the middle. Like right here. There's where I sit. There's where Andre sits. So that's this Mother's Day brunch. And oh, I also forgot to mention I got some peach iced tea, pre-made, but the Snapple brand. And I also put some ice in there. I didn't have an ice cube tray, so I improvised and used some Tupperware and just crushed the ice with a knife. Anyway, that's this part. Hey YouTubers, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified of new videos, which I know I've been a little behind on making more, but anyway, bear with me. I hope you got some inspiration from this Mother's Day vlog video of what I gave my mom for breakfast in bed, her indoor quarantine picnic lunch, which I got some inspiration from Bethany Moda for that. Shout out to you, Bethany Moda. She's another popular YouTuber, and I'll link her channel down below. So, I also credit her for the cucumber sandwiches I made for lunch. That was her idea. But I would say if you're making the cucumber sandwiches, go easy on the garlic salt because a little can go a long way. Maybe like a 1/4 teaspoon, but no more than a 1/2 teaspoon. Anywho, I hope this also inspires you to maybe make a Mother's Day inspired video, or maybe you can get ideas for next Mother's Day, like I said. And I hope you have an awesome Mother's Day. If you're a mother watching this video, be sure to, you know, also like, comment, and subscribe like the others, and give this video a big thumbs up. So, anyway, that's all for now. Bye!